Hey there, it's another edition of Tutorial Wednesday where I teach you one thing or the other you can do with your smartphone. And today, let's look at. Are you excited already? So am I. So, let's jump right into the video. If smartphones are regarded as one of the major sources of distraction, then learning how to use your smartphone productively is very important. And on this channel, we teach everything about smartphone productivity and profitability. And if this is the kind of video you want to keep receiving, hit the subscribe button down below. And to get notified when I release a fresh video, hit the bell icon and you will be first to know when I drop a fresh video. My name is Frederick. Keep watching.
Hey there, welcome back to another edition of Tutorial Wednesday. So today we are looking at another really awesome AI photo editor that can be used for several things. Okay, so it quickly edits your images for profile pics, for beautiful shop. If you want to create some product images, Valentine's Day special, Valentine's Day images, Carnival, sell on Poshmark, and other. Even if you want to present your product, your physical product you're selling on your online shops very attractively. You can see some 70s portraits, magazine covers, and a whole lot of stuff, podcast covers even. So it actually has a whole lot of features that you can use this photo editor for. All right, if you're into shoes, you can see where you can easily click and snap the shoe, and then it automatically edits it to present it as a product that is for your e-shop, right? So you can see Black Friday and a whole lot of other stuff that this application can do for you quick and easily, right? So over here is where you can also remove the background from an image, or remove background from an image. So we are going to start doing something. So let's start with removing backgrounds from images, just like this image you're looking at here, amongst other things that I've used this application for. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the start button here to select an image from my gallery. So I'm going to select an image. We have an image here, so you can see how it's going to take away the background from this image perfectly, right? So if I now want it to be removed from this white background, to remove the white background from it, I'm going to just tap on the background and then tap erase, and it completely removes the white background from it. So now this image is standing on its own alone. Okay, so let's try it with another application. So before now we could have used remove.bg to remove backgrounds from images before using them for our editing, right? So right now you can easily use this application. Okay, let's even try something else. Let's try some of the features like the profile picture editing that we have here. So let's try this one out, for instance. So I'm going to tap on the image, all right, of the lady, tap on replace. Then I'm going to go to my photos, select any photo of choice. Maybe for instance this photo, just don't mind. For instance this photo. So I have an image like this, right? So if I now want to further edit it to however way that I want it to be, maybe let me even replace this casual image to something else. So I'm gonna get another image. Alright, I'm gonna get another image. Alright, so we have another image right now, right? So we have another image. The next thing, if I want to further edit this image, I'm going to tap on the adjust button and then tap on brightness to increase the brightness, maybe increase the brightness, increase the contrast if I need to, just to make it look a lot better. All right, so you can see the Photoroom this thing watermark down here. So to remove this, once you're putting it another maybe you want to use as a TP, of course you can just crop it off easily. Okay, so that's that for this. All right, so if you still want to maybe do another thing, maybe you're into clothes and you want to use this as your preferred image, so you just lay out the image, right? So tap on the button, okay, then replace it with the image of your clothes that you've already taken. Okay, so there are still so many other features here, right? There's for this, if I want to use this as my YouTube thumbnail, I can just tap on this to edit the image, double tap it to edit the image to say AI photo editor, for instance, AI photo editor. So we have it right here. Then tap and replace the person right here, and tap to replace the person right here. I already have something that I can use in this place, so they don't need to remove anything from here, right? So I can easily push this to this part and then increase this, right? And we are good. So the pro version of this application actually cost 9,530 naira in Nigeria currency, or you can use it for free with the watermark on it, and then it offers even more features, right? It offers even 1,000 templates extra and a whole lot of things extra that you get when you use the pro version. Okay. So this is also another awesome part of this. So just simple tap on the image that you took and then it automatically edits for you. That's what makes it an AI photo editor, right? Automatically notices what is not meant to be in your picture and clears the excesses off, right? So for instance, if I want to replace this background, so just going to find an image that I had already taken, okay, like this image for instance. Find an image and we're good. Okay, and we are good. All right, and folder. Okay, increase. Oh wait, so that's the background. I need to add an extra image on it. So whichever one you want to use, you can use it.